We about to have fun. Hey Tilly Tube. As you see, I got the natural hair out. I don't do this very frequently. But I'm on the way to get my hair done. And I don't know if this is going to be a summer maintenance video, a back to school maintenance video, or it could be a Life After Tillyhassee. It could be literally be any of these videos. And I hope that by the title you know why you're here and why we're here together. But I'm on the way to get my hair done, and a good thing about this service is that it's free $99. I'm so plugged in. I love that, you know, I can make connections and do a lot of things since I've been here in Winston. I literally am going to a hair braiding shop and getting a free bust down, small knotless. But I think I'm gonna go to the store and get some snacks. So because this is probably gonna take a while. It's 9:49. I'm gonna try to be there by 10ish. But I'm gonna go get me some snacks because it's gonna be a long appointment today. But I'm gonna check in when I get there. I also have some exciting news. This probably looks different from the last time you've seen where I am. I did get a new car. She's so cutesy. It's a K5. Very cutesy, very demure. But my phone is on, my camera's on 13%. So I'm gonna try to get clips later today. So I need to say bye now. Hey Tilly Tube. I'm back in North Carolina. I don't know how this video is gonna start, but I want to let y'all know this is Life After Tillyhassee. I'm back in North Carolina, and one thing about me, I love my job. I love working in student affairs and still kind of feeling young because I am on the way. This week is RA training, so I'm on the way to the water park. So it's about to be fun. This is a fit. I'm walking over right now to meet the bus. So like I said, I'll see y'all later. I'm so excited to go to the water park. We're gonna be there for like 5 hours. So I'll show y'all. Yeah, hopefully y'all can hear me because I don't have my mic. And it's cars behind me. So yeah, talk to you later.
Good chat.
Please don't get up and walk around. If you do, hold on to the rail, all right? In the unlikely event we have to evacuate, on the console here is a red button. That'll release the door. If not, there's a red valve down there, you turn it and that'll release it. If that doesn't work, there's emergency exit windows release.
We made it to the water park. Bow, bow, bow. Got my tickets. Got my meal voucher. We about to have fun. I gotta get my bag checked.
Go ahead.
Oh, I'm good? Oh. Damn. I was scared. I was scared to bring it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I wasn't ready. My bad. Y'all done got distracted. But we're in here. We're in this biatch. Guys, my bun's a little crooked. Let's not judge. I'm about to take it out because it's a little crooked. So let's go ahead and take that out. I'm on the way to the lazy river. I really don't know where I'm going, but I'll find it eventually. But yeah. Bow, bow, bow. And I gotta bring this fanny pack because, oh, and I put my water shoes on. I gotta bring this fanny pack because I gotta bring my camera around. I gotta have something to put it in. I can't just be out really nilly-dilly. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the lazy river. You know, I didn't really think this through, like coming to the water park and like vlogging it. I don't think I'm really gonna be able to vlog it because of the water situation. But once I get off, you know, and explore a little bit, I'll let you guys know how it went. And I'll talk to y'all later. I'm sorry, I thought I was gonna be able to vlog more. Hi. Oh, oh. So yeah, random guy in my vlog. Anyway, yeah, talk to y'all later. We were in the lazy river, and then we got in the wave pool. This is Adriana. Say hey. Yeah, I haven't really been able to record because, you know, water park and camera don't go together. But I wanted to check in, let y'all know. I'm about to go get us a drink. So I'm gonna show y'all the drink when I get it. Bye. Here I'm about to order. I just ordered a margarita. This right here. I'm gonna just show y'all. So when I get it, dang, it's so dark. When I get it, oh, there it go. Strawberry.
Which one you got?
The strawberry punch, basically. Strawberry margarita punch.
Was good, chat? Huh? Chat was good, y'all. Chat was good, chat.
Everything get wet, chat.
Yeah. Huh? It's not no live. This ain't no live. Yeah.
Hey, that sound better than
What'd she say?
600.
Oh yeah, 600 do sound better than 700.
I got it in January though, so it was cheaper.
What's good, chat? What? How many hours we in? Like 2 hours in. We got 3 more hours left.
Oh yeah.
You showed your
Time to
drink.
drink.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. I'm about to try it though.
So dark.
This ain't no tequila sunrise.
That's what I was drinking in Vegas.
Oh, that's my favorite drink. Well, let's do a cheers. Cheers.
I'm about to say, don't be like the other kids. Down up.
Up to it, down to it, but those who don't do it. Drink on their
Chat, we back.
What time it is? Yeah, 1:44. I done drunk a whole Seagull. Gone. I ain't even got nobody kids.
You chugged it?
I'm sober. Chat, I'm sober.
You can.
Good things in life. Didn't do none of that.
Wrestling.
All
that wrestling.
I'm doing. Yeah, but we living, we chilling right now. I gotta get a retweet though, cause I look bogus out here. I hear overly bad. It's in a little blur right now, so I put it down. Yeah, he lit. But adios, chat. You know, see you next week.
Deuces. I don't have my camera, so I have to. We're at the Walking Taco, about to get some tacos. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. I'm thinking Doritos and beef or chicken, I don't know. I'll show y'all what I get though when I get it. Chat, this is what we got. A walking taco. I'm not on my camera, by the way. I'm on my phone, so it might be a little blurry, but got a Doritos with nacho cheese, onions. I'm spilling everything, but I got jalapenos on the side. Fruit punch. About to leave the park. I'm beat up, I'm hot. I might check in when I get to the bus, but I gotta use the restroom, probably change, and then be outie, but I'll check back in later. Hey chat, I made it back to my room. As you can tell, I'm overly tired. The bus ride was good. Made it back to Winston. I'm about to shower now and probably take a nap. I do have to do an application for like a fellowship that I'm planning to apply for tonight, but that'll have to wait until after my nap. But I did want to close out at least this section of the vlog. This is probably gonna be like a Life After Tillyhassee series, like preparing to go back to school, like this mid section between back to school prep for the midsection between Tillyhassee and back to school prep. So, you know, this is me getting ready for school. The people that I went to the water park with is basically my department. They took all of the RAs and DAs. So if you don't know, I am a professional staff member for Winston-Salem State University's Housing and Residence Life. So I'm a graduate assistant for academic initiatives, curriculum, and assessment. So I am part of the team. So they took a before move-in type of excursion, getaway, retreat, I would say, to the water park. So that's why I went to the water park. There's little, I never gave that context, but as you see ahead of time, I'm tired. So we'll see y'all on the next day. I know I'm gonna have a lot going on these next few weeks preparing for back to school, but I'm gonna take y'all on the journey. Everything that I remember to record, y'all will see. So I'll see y'all later. I'll probably see y'all the next time. I probably see y'all will probably be a whole different day. I'll probably have a whole new fit on. Yeah, so see y'all when I see y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all, but bye.
High volume. Am I really that much?